watching my cars go by. The world to me, watching my cars go by. Wake up, it's daylight, no need to cry. Mommy and daddy hug me, say hi. Spoon-fed, dressed up, forced outside. Now sit at home, the old world died. On the street outside my room, for weeks it was still. Now cars drive again, see from the windowsill. Toyota, Ford, Jaguar, I spy from afar. My favorite game, every car I name. Time for me to get my cars, time for me to drive to Mars. Round the dinner table, avoid the laptop cable. Brakes screech on the floor, see a browning apple core. Quickly I maneuver, mommy gets the hoover. A pencil in my hand, it cannot drive on land. Dad says join the dots, I see silly spots. Want to build some Lego, but I find Aka logo. Trace it carefully, then drive again for me. Oh, the world to me, watching my cars go by. The world to me, watching my cars go by. Mom, Dad, your phone. Every day I need to moan. Audi, Ferrari, maybe a Bugatti. Swipe here, swipe there for hours I could stare. But I hand the weights, I stare, it's not fair. Wall to wall across the floor, my car's lining up, queuing to compete in today's racing cup. The traffic jam is over, all lights turn green. But look over there, there's a car that's mean. Cars are crashing, smashing, police on our way. Some cars in this race need taken away. Sirens are blazing, bad guys on the run. Closing it, oh yeah, I'll chase you for fun. Bad guys to jail, ha, yeah, bye bye. The door opens, sit up. Dad starts to sigh. My brother asks for TV, blaze, that's great. Then it's dinner time, I put cars on my plate. I said, the world to me, watching my cars go by. The world to me, watching my cars go by.